Hello guys and girls! Today we're gonna see how to do the sea breeze. So this cocktail is very easy to do. It's built up directly in a highball glass, normally with vodka, cranberry juice and freshly squeezed grapefruit. In that case, what we will do is replace the vodka with stevia water that's been properly made in the healthy cocktails. We have freshly squeezed grapefruit juice full of vitamins, so good when you want to go for diet also. And this is amazing because these are real red cranberries. We don't really find it everywhere, so really, when you find it, try it out. So, we will start. Soft like a whisper, she's calling me to her. These eyes have seen the most beautiful dream. We found each other staring at the waves. We started talking, couldn't break away. I made plans to meet tonight down by the pier. And when midnight strikes, I'm gonna hold that dream near. She moves like a sea breeze, swirling around me. The fragrance that she leaves hangs in the air. Soft like a whisper, she's calling me to her. These eyes have seen the most beautiful.